Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Today's video, it's all about two plugs, these two. So last night I throw these two plugs at the boat ramp. Mullet is kind of moving in. It's not mulletron yet, but you can tell it's coming probably in about a month. Yozuri McDarter, and this is a new one, Yozuri Hydromino. So these two lures, see what happened. Originally I was gonna fish under the bridge for snook, but it's pretty busy, so I changed my plan. I'm gonna fish on the side of the causeway on this little sort of like a beach area and the boat ramp. I've seen last year some tarpons over here, and I see a lot of mullet too, so I'm hoping it's gonna be some tarpon over here to eat it. And this is the plan pretty much, just casting, blind casting, and see what's gonna happen. There's definitely a lot of bait around. I got the first 35-40 minutes in. So far I got one hit. It didn't stick good, and I could not turn my light on fast enough, so I decided not to put it on a video. I'm just gonna downsize my lure a little bit. The tarpon didn't look so big. Maybe a smaller McDarter gonna give me a better hookup. I don't know. I'm only trying it. I gotta try whatever I can. There's definitely fish here. Wait and see what's gonna happen later. Look at this big lobster, man. I'm gonna catch the sucker. You see this lobster? That's unbelievable. Kamiki. I almost got him. No, I'm just gonna let him go away. At this point, I'm still trying to find out what would be the best bait that would match the size of the bait that the fish feeding on. There's definitely a lot of mullet. It's not mulletron yet, but it's not normal. There is definitely a lot of mullet here. So I think maybe this yellow Yozuri would be a little better choice. I don't know. I'm still just trying to find my way over here. Over here I'm gonna have a bite, and just watch the hook set. Can you count how many times I set the hook? Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tarpon have a hard mouth. You gotta do it, man. I got a tarpon on. Oh, nice jump. Nice jump.
It's a good fish. Probably about 70, 80. Nice fish, man. He ate this yozuri pretty good. He's gonna jump. He's right here in front of me. He doesn't want to run. And I don't want him to go under the boat ramp either. There he is. Oh, maybe he's not that big, but still pretty good. I think I'm gonna start walking him close to the beach now. I'm gonna try to land him over there. He's right here on the rocks now. Getting close now, getting close. Yeah, here he is. Well, he's about, probably he was out, he's about 50, 60 pounds. So this is illegal to get this fish out of the water. So the thing that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna release him after a little close-up. You see that? That's the yozuri he ate. Yeah, he's about a good, 50, 60 pound. Nice fish, man. Okay, let's get this yozuri out and let him go. Okay. Here he is, here. Nice fish, man. Nice tarpon. Now he will. There we go. Whoo, nice fish. Oh, man. Whew. Whew. Finally, I got a look at my glasses. He splashed the water all over me. Wow, he ate that yozori pretty good. It was the third bite. So far, my third bite. I've lost 2 of them, but this one finally stick good. I have to regroup, retie. I think my leader got a little abused. I got a little fray on it, but let's see if I can get another one. There is a lot more time until daylight. Let's go back to it. These hooks are really dangerous for my hand. I gotta change them. So I decided to do the operation over here in the dark. Let's see what I got here. What can I put on this thing? I may just not gonna have the right hook for this fella over here. But let's just look around a little better. Not those. This one looks good. This one definitely looks good. It could be one of them. Okay. Got something. Oh, it's a nice tarpon. Oh yeah. Here's the second one. I have to put him on loose drag because I don't want him go under this boat ramp over here, man. Hopefully he's gonna turn around and go to the open water. I'm barely putting just any pressure on him just to keep the hook in. Make sure I'm not gonna lose the hook. Look like he's coming around. He doesn't want to run. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh, he throw it. He throw it. Son of a gun, man. Guys, I just hooked into a pretty big tarpon. Hit the yozori so close to me. It was really cool to see him coming out of the water, tail walking this close. I don't know if the camera picked that up. I did not have time to turn the light on, but that was a pretty good size of fish, man. I gotta go back and try it. Well, surprise, surprise, Tibor.
Never thought I'm going to have a night like this at the boat ramp. It's unbelievable. Probably the most undesirable spot for me to fish, but I got no other choice. I wasn't gonna turn around and go home or search for a different spot. This bridge was simply busy, and it was the only available spot for me. And I cannot believe how well this spot worked out. Probably next time I'm gonna come here purposely, trying the boat ramp and targeting tarpon over here. Thank you guys for visiting my channel again and spend this little bit of time here with me. Thank you for the new subscribers. I'm gonna try this boat ramp again, targeting directly for tarpon. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna catch some big fish here. I'll see you at the next adventure.